Sige na, ano na. Oh, sige na.
Blurry.
I asked Daddy to do your camera. I don't know what's happening on your phone. Mag-vlog daw siya sa kanyang nakuhang exchange gift. I saw Elitan when I'm coming back. When I'm
See? It's oil.
no need to put the cover ha. Vlogger yan. Vloggers yan
Oh
siya.
yeah, it's good. Yeah, look at the cover.
Vloggers din siya.
Hello.
Yeah,
I like this fire truck from the exchange gift. Let's see what this is. Whoa!
Vloggers din siya eh. So excited, huh? Wow. Wow.
Whoa.
That's expensive. How much is it?
Don't know.
It's a big one.
Yeah, it's very expensive. I don't know how Dasha father buy this.
Wow.
Ooh.
That's an expensive one, Anna.
Yeah, I don't know where to buy this.
It's not only 15 ringgit. It's more than 15 ringgit.
Oh, okay. So this is this and this and this. Wait,
Is
I
it-
even have a crane.
Ang kanilang exchange gift, ano lang, worth 15 ringgit lang. I think more than 15 ringgit this one.
Whoa!
See, with box. Put it there.
Huh? Can I watch?
Uh-huh. No more space already, like Ashi.
Okay, I want to delete.
Okay, open first, open. Then you can watch na.
This.
Here, you put here.
Beep beep. Oh.
No, this got scotch tape. You take out first. Excited talaga siya sa kanya exchange gift.
Oh.
This is more than 15 ringgit na.
How about look at the crane?
Where's the crane?
Parts. There's some parts though.
Mm.
There's some like fire parts.
Mhm.
And let me check the packaging again. Ooh. Okay, bye guys.
Bye guys.